G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name is Russell. Today we're doing the installation video for the BYD Shark for our fire extinguisher mounts. They bolt in using the factory seat bolts. You just remove the two front bolts, place the bracket in, bolt your extinguisher in, and then put the bolts back in. Super easy, takes a couple of minutes. Today I'm going to install our 1 kilo with hose fire extinguisher. These are a really nice one. Feature that little hose so you can really direct the extinguisher at the fire if you ever have one. Perfect for camping, for cruising, all sorts of things. So don't stress, it doesn't mean that your car is going to be catching fire, but you never know what will happen on the open road. Let's go do it. The tools required to install the bracket is a T50 Torx bit and a couple of 8mm spanners. You simply remove the two front factory seat bolts, these T50 Torx bits here and there. The best thing to do is to always install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket before you bolt it all in. And our bracket comes with two M5 high tensile nuts, bolts and washers that you then attach the extinguisher cage to. And if possible, I always mount the extinguisher so that the handles of the extinguisher are over towards the transmission tunnel. And as you can see, the bracket has a series of slots. You can mount it anywhere along. I try to get it as far that way as possible, but also just make sure that you put it in a position where it doesn't interfere with the seat. And just tighten them up with those 8mm spanners. Then after the cage is installed on the bracket, then as we see, lift up the front of the seat, slip the bracket back till it clicks in place and put the factory seat bolts back in. Then just tighten them up, ensuring that you're not cross-threading them. Then install the extinguisher into its cage. Job done. Looks great. Okay, so after it's all been installed, as you can see, the seat's cleared most of the way. It will stop it from going a little bit forward. However, what a position. It looks really good. Nice, safe way to install a fire extinguisher. Easy access, and if you ever need to grab your extinguisher, simply flick the switch, pull it out, then pull this safety pin and aim the extinguisher hose at the base of the fire and sweep it from side to side, putting out the fire. Well, thank you very much guys for watching our little video. If you want to grab one, just see in the link below and check out all of our other extinguishers as well. Thanks heaps.